Hello everybody, welcome to Catrix. Today we'll make this example on Solidworks and we will change its color to yellow color. We will convert this 2D sketch into this 3D model by using two features, both extrude and cut extrude features. We will work on top plane and we will use a side surface. So let's start. First I studied this 2D sketch, and as I said, we will start on top plane. We will make this plane rectangle. It's 40 by 40 millimeters. And we will add a circle for the right side, and we will trim the extra internal lines of the circle, and we will make this line for construction. Okay, and we will add a small circle here. It's 20 millimeters. We'll add smart dimension. Now we'll go to features and select extrude. It's 10 millimeters. Okay, now we'll use this side surface to select sketch and start with it. Okay, it's 40 millimeter height and we have a 40 millimeter circle. Okay, let's start. I will choose line. I'll go there and draw a horizontal line. I will define this point and draw this vertical line. This vertical line, it's, I think, total is 20, so this is 10 millimeters only. I will draw this big circle and I will draw the small circle, 20 millimeters. Yes, it's 20 millimeters. And I will make it for construction and trim extra line for big circle, and we will apply both extrude by 10 millimeters. As we can see here, we can't apply this extrude by 10 millimeters for the outer shape without internal 20 millimeter circle because it's tangent from lower part to the horizontal surface. So we'll select the lower half of it and we will make it 10 millimeters and select OK. Now this lower part is 10 millimeters also. Okay, so we'll go to this side and select sketch and we'll convert entities from this line. We'll convert entities and we will make it normal 2 to see the right sketch, and we'll draw two horizontal lines, left and right. Okay, and we will define circle again and convert the entities for the outer line and both extrude by 10 millimeters. It's simple. Okay, I will sketch on this surface to cut extrude this half, and here we are. We got the 3D model. Now I will add color to it. I will choose yellow color. Here we are. We got our shape and we add color to it. I hope you like this simple example in Solidworks. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it for more videos. Goodbye.